Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add watermark to your video in Capcut PC. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is prepare your watermark. Now if you watermark an image, create or find the image you want to use as your watermark. PNG format with a transparent background is ideal for this. If you want to use a text, then no problem. If you prefer a text watermark, just make sure you prepare the text in a suitable font and color. Next, you have to import your video and the watermark. Open Capcut on your PC, import your video into the timeline, import the watermark image or create a text watermark within Capcut. Next, you have to add the watermark to the video. Drag and drop the watermark. Drag and drop the watermark onto a track above your video in the timeline. This will place the watermark as an overlay. Adjust the duration. If your watermark should appear throughout the video, extend the duration to match the video's length. Next, customize the watermark. Click and drag the watermark within the preview window to position it where you want it to appear, usually at the corner. Next, you have to resize the watermark to an appropriate size using the handles. Adjust the opacity to make the watermark more or less visible, depending on your preference. Next, rotate the watermark if needed. Don't forget to experiment with blending modes to change how the watermark interacts with the video. When you're through with this, next you have to preview and export. Preview your video with the watermark to ensure it looks as you intended to. Next, export your video with the watermark applied. Don't forget, a softer watermark is less distracting and more effective, so keep it subtle. Next, experiment with different placements to find the most visually appealing and unobstructive spots. View your video with the watermark on different devices to ensure it looks good on all platforms. Follow these steps and you will be able to easily add a professional watermark to your videos using Capcut on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. I know you found it helpful actually. So don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as they come out. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.